Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog as we emerge into Manhattan from Lincoln Tunnel that connects New Jersey to the beautiful New York City. And now the mission is to get home. Last night was my buddy's birthday, so we hit the sauce. The sauce was hit, if you know what I mean. So now I'm just kind of like, just want to get home, you know. I'm over it. Don't have it in me, don't have the bejesus in me, so I'm just gonna take it easy. Gotta turn down my Waze because it's yelling into my ear. I got this weird new Waze that sounds like, you know, that voice that goes 3 hours later. What are you doing, people? But yeah, so basically I have my Waze tells me these things. I need to turn it off, I think, because it is gonna be distracting. What are you freaking doing? That bus was out of control. Out of control. So here we go. It's telling me to turn right. Alright, Waze, goodbye. I don't get any warnings at this point. I think I'm okay. Yeah, we're in a mess here. We're in the middle of Manhattan, so we're just gonna have to take it easy and keep it calm. It's Sunday. It's a beautiful Sunday. What time is it? 11 o'clock. Not too late, not too early. Perfect time. Right next to Times Square, which is gonna be ridiculous. Look at this shit. What's happening here? Some sort of vehicular confusion. A lot of tourists here, a lot of hotels and whatnot. That's why they're like not sure how to drive, which is okay. This is Port Authority right next to us to the left. This is huge, basically bus stop. And they have this hot dog, Grace Papayas. So good. I could go for a Grace Papaya right now, right over there. Am I recording? Good, 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 good. Don't want to miss any of this, boys and girls. But yeah, see it right over there. Probably can't tell, but there is a delicious hot dog joint. Oh boy. Yeah, I wonder if it's telling me to take which bridge or tunnel is it telling me to take, I wonder. Hard to tell, hard to guess. We're just gonna cruise along over here past this guy. We don't want no trouble. Nope. Son of a bitch. We're not gonna make that light, are we? And I think we're okay. This is kind of a rough spot because it's a bicycle street. It's fine, bro. You got me. Totally fine. Broadway is blocked off. There's going to be some sort of a street fair here today. This Denali is just trying to get ahead of me. It's fine. Still gonna beat him, look. Look at all these people. Bryant Park. Bryant Park right over here. It's a nice little location. Wow. What's up with the scooter police? Tons of pops, tons of scooter police. But yeah, this is where they have like the skating ring. You can go skating there. It's kind of cool. And now we're gonna keep going straight. We're trying to get to like 59th Street, I guess. I think that's where the magic happens. This fucking guy. Casually pulls out and then goes slow. You son of a potato. And this Audi is like blocking my path. Son of a bitch. He knows what's up. He must ride a motorcycle. Anti-motorcycle defensive moves. I can respect that. Look at them. Look at these people. Look at these folks. They're driving like little hoes. Like little hoes. It's totally rude to say, by the way. Shouldn't have called people little hoes. What is that guy doing? Squid life. Not even gloves. What an idiot. What the fuck was that about? What the hell was that about? That guy literally just stopped traffic in the middle of the walkway and like said something to those people. Weirdo. I don't know what any of that means. But look how far back like the other cars are. They're scared of me. They're scared. They're scared of me. I do hope the Queensbridge is wide open. Pretty sure it will be. That guy's chilling with no helmet. I should have went that way. Should have 100% went that way. Freaking nerd. Oh boy. Yeah, fucking bus. You son of a bitch. All these obstacles in my way. Fucking jerk off. Go, you son of a bitch. That guy got ahead of me after all, because he's got skills. I'm not trying to talk to you, buddy. I'm not trying to talk to you. Because you're a freaking weirdo. I won't have anything nice to say. I'm going to take a left here. Midtown Tunnel. No, we're going to go to, what do you call it? Queensbridge. Queensbridge, 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 Queensbridge. Middle of 3rd Avenue, right down the middle for me and you. Look at it. Yeah, it's relaxing. So many po-po. I'm just not trying to, plus I'm like, not hungover, but I just, you know, stayed up late, didn't get perfect sleep, so not really in the mood for activities. That's why, like, as much as I'd like to go for a little cruise, I'm just gonna get home. I'm just getting home. Just gonna chill. Look at all these cars. I was all wide open for a second, and now it's a situation. Now there's cars everywhere. And this car is trying to get ahead. Right, because we're getting closer to Queensbridge, and my GPS was just like, no. My GPS doesn't want any parts of it anymore. It's true. Why the slowdown, boys and girls? Hard to tell. What street are we on? Queensbridge's gotta be coming up. Ooh. Ooh. Where do I take a right? To the Bridge of Queens. Really? We're not even close. Keep right. Alright, we'll just calm down, because I don't really feel like making strong moves. I can do baby moves. Yeah, we still got a couple of blocks. This Prius is just not, it ain't it, chief. Wide maneuvers. I don't know what's happening here. I don't think this is like lane splitting or anything. I think this is just me using the damn road. Queensbridge. Wait, this is not Queensbridge. Queens Upper Roadway. Keep left. I think that's Queensbridge right there. Not really exactly sure, but we're gonna get on it. We're gonna get on Queensbridge. Not a problem. Dude. What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god. Uh-oh. Here we go. Queensbridge, yo. Baby, baby, get me onto Queensbridge. Queensbridge. Just gonna get ahead a little bit. Get ahead. I'd love to hang out back there, but I'm just like not in the mood to just sit back. And I'm sorry this vlog is not constructive at all. It's just yippity yaps and skippity scaps. But that happens. Yippity yaps and skippity scaps. I'm just cooking with butter, boys and girls. You know, a butter cook. A light casual butter cook. Queens. Now we in Queens, bruh. Strong Queens moves. About to take a sharp turn over here. A little Rossi, if I may so say. There's a train. Look at that. There's a train over there. This way. Ooh, love these turnarounds. So fun. Nice. Have not done this one, I don't think. Or maybe I have. Hard to tell. It's a nice easy little twistu. Love Long Island City. Look how beautiful this area is, this neighborhood. Just so full of art and new developments. Beautiful. I always like, in the perfect world, I would almost even live here in Long Island City. I would. It wouldn't be so bad. It'd actually be fun. That car is going to try to turn in front of me. Maybe. Yes. No. Maybe so. Maybe. Maybe not. Nice. I like this shortcut. So much better than the other streets I take.